Let's learn table of 8.
Yeah!
8 multiply 1 equals 8.
Yeah!
8 multiply 2 equals 16.
Yeah!
8 multiply 3 equals 24.
Yeah!
8 multiply 4 equals 32.
Yeah!
8 multiply 5 equals 40.
Yeah!
8 multiply 6 equals 48.
Yeah!
8 multiply 7 equals 56.
Yeah!
8 multiply 8 equals 64.
Yeah!
8 multiply 9 equals 72.
Yeah!
8 multiply 10 equals 80.
Yeah!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe channel for next videos.